In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prompt for realistic human motion in Kling AI. We'll walk through the exact workflow inside the app and focus on how to write prompts that produce believable movement, from weight shifts to eye lines without adding any extra complexity. Start by opening the Kling AI website. On the homepage, click Generate to begin a new project, then choose Video Generation. This puts you in the video workspace where you'll guide motion using frames and a carefully written prompt. Begin by adding a start frame. You can upload an image or use one you've already generated. If you want to reuse something you just made, open History, pick the image you want, and click Confirm. For realistic motion, choose a start frame with a clear subject, a readable pose, and lighting that matches your intended scene. Make sure there's room in the composition for the body to move without clipping out of frame. You can also add an end frame, which is optional but very helpful for controlling how the motion resolves. Upload another image or select one you generated previously. Again, open History, choose your image, and click Confirm. A strong end frame hints at the final posture or facial expression. Think of it like a target pose that guides timing and physics between the two frames. Next, type your prompt. This is where realism lives. Describe the action with concrete verbs and physical detail. For example, the subject's pace, direction, and what each part of the body is doing. Include camera behavior if needed, like a slow push-in or a steady handheld feel, and mention environment cues that affect motion, such as wind, uneven ground, or a light object being carried. Keep it grounded, specify natural speed, subtle facial behavior, and plausible reactions to gravity. If you're going for authenticity, avoid impossible acrobatics unless they're truly intended. Choose a mode that prioritizes realism and consistency. Then set the length to 5 seconds, which is ideal for testing and iterating. Pick the number of outputs to get multiple variations at once. More outputs increase your chances of a perfect take. Toggle native audio if you want to preserve audio from a source that includes it. If you're starting from images, you can leave this off. When everything looks good, click Generate. After rendering, review each result with a critical eye. Look for believable weight transfer, limb overlap, natural head turns, and smooth arcs rather than jitter. If something feels off, refine your prompt with clearer motion cues or adjust your start or end frame for a cleaner pose. With this workflow, you'll consistently guide Kling AI toward realistic human motion.